Hello, I'm Dr. Ai-Han Kyung. I'm president of Tai Chi Qi Gong Healing Institute. Our website is taichihealing.org. Today, I'm going to share with you some self-care Qigong exercise for hands. Our hands are so important in our life, and we do everything with our hands. Therefore, hand care is very important. And we will say we use hands so much when we're driving and we cooking, we use computers and lift things and cleaning, bathing, garden work, and the office work, and a lot of office work people, and the construction work, and sports, art, and music instrument. Pretty much everything we do, we need our hands. So therefore, proper care is very important. So let's start. Sit comfortably. So first, curve your fist. Your fist like this, but curve will be like this. And inhale, place on top of your shoulders, move your elbow up as high as you can, and exhale, move back as far back as you can, and relax. Let's do it again. Curve, take a deep breath, up, keep going, up, 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 back, exhale. And you can repeat as many times as you can. And next one, we're going to cross the fingers, place together, and cross fingers. Take a deep breath. Exhale, push forward. Push as much as you can, as far as you can, okay? And inhale, go up. Keep going as far back as you can. And let go, exhale. Ooh, give yourself a little break. Let's do one more. Inhale, exhale. Ooh. Arms straight. Inhale up, arms straight. Ooh. Let it go. Next one is place your fingertips together. Place your fingertips together. Like this. All right. Have a little ball, air ball between your palms. Take a deep breath. Exhale, press your fingers as much as you can. So pretty much if you put the palms together, you don't get extra pressing. If you leave a palm apart, only work on your fingers, you get extra pressing. Alrighty. And let it go. Ooh, give yourself a little break. Again, press. Keep going. And let it go. And you can repeat it as many times you want. And next one is rotate your wrist and your fingers. Hands in the front, turn the other way. That means the palm facing outward. When you rotate the fingers, you're going to start with your little finger first. You see, make a nice little pattern here. So side view, curve little finger, and your wrist, the rest of fingers just follow. Keep going. We're not done yet. Now we're going to keep rotation. Curve, rotate the wrist, open, Keep going. When you're done, and you can relax. Last one is called tiger palm. Like tiger. Curve your fingers like this, like tiger. Okay? Give some space between your arms and body. This much space. Okay. And curve and inhale, pull back your arms and your hand. Go as far back as you can. This much back. Really pull back. And exhale, relax. Ooh. Again, inhale. Relax entire body. Let's do one more. Curve and pull. And relax. Thank you for watching. Visit the website taichihealing.org and that website draihankyung.com. draihankyun.com. Thank you.